if I talk about me, I have started my career in like 2002, 2003, with specifically with SAP. I started teaching SAP first. So first I learned about SAP. I became ABAP certified, and then I used to teach other people to get certified in SAP. So during that era, Darshan was one of my students at that time, and I helped him. Whatever you can say. But then I felt that just teaching SAP is not going to solve. So let's get our hands dirty. And I jumped into the IT industry, and since then I have been associated with SAP, TCS, working with so many different clients, different companies as well. Worked in many different countries like Singapore, Taiwan, US, and of course India. So from past couple of years, I'm in TCS. So I would say like almost for 12 years now. I'm with TCS and work with like implementation support, product delivery, and everything. Work with SAP Labs to deliver their products also. So I know I work with SAP guys, SAP engineers, how they think when we are delivering SAP as a product rather than the end user. So we have seen how SAP works and what kind of quality it needs when it comes to delivery of. I have been working with Adobe for almost a decade now, and I've seen this company grow from shrink wrap to cloud products, from shrink wrap products to subscription based model. So what kind of technology evolution has happened in this company? What kind of different integration was required, and how it has moved from a mid-sized company to a giant today. Now Adobe has been recognized between major players in Silicon Valley today. And when we talk of like today's technology, I know that SAP definitely plays a backbone in many companies, but I would give an advice to a newcomer that just keeping one sword or one weapon in your this thing is not going to suffice. You have to be multi-talented. Today we know that these companies want a share in all technologies at once. Any newcomer, any new technology, any new emerging integration technology or cloud technology, they want to try this out. Any new analytic tool, they want to try that out. So I would give newcomer, I would ask fresher to be at least trained in those kind of integration tools, integration technologies, which talk with SAP. Like I have seen Salesforce talking to SAP. I have seen AWS talking to SAP. I have seen different tools talking to SAP, but using different technology like Kafka, using SnapLogic, and all those different tools. So this is very important for today's generation to learn not to stick to one technology and one application, but to try out different technologies and span out your weapons so that you can use anything anytime, and you will never know my two steps. And definitely RPA. Today RPA is becoming more and more difficult because we are not because our business process is not spanned over single technology and tool, but it is spanned across multiple technology, multiple platforms, and multiple tools. To complete one business process, we have to hop through different tools and applications. So we need to have proficiency in those kind of automation tools as well. One of them recently, which I have worked with, is like UiPath. That is also giving a lot of leverage when we talk about automation in SAP and in different and automation on different application and tools. It works as a single point of contact, or I would say single application which can handle automation across platform. So yeah, with that